Hey, Rubik'S29 here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 1x1 Rubik's Cube. Here's what you need. You need one thick layer in the middle and two thin layers on the bottom. The thin layer has to be a 4x4 flat, like that, and then you just place it right on here.
New at NickJuniorArcade.com. The Greedy King has taken away all the colors from the Crystal Kingdom. Dora needs your preschoolers' help to bring back colors to the kingdom. If Dora saves the Crystal Kingdom,
And
your child can try this adventure for free. And match colors.
you do the same thing for the bottom.
Complete words. And even count in
Then once you put it together, take only 6 stickers, one of each color, off. These two were already off because they fell off when I got it. Well, they were coming off like this one, so I just tore it off. So when you're done, you just take the stickers and put them on. Oh yeah, here's something you can do. You take a sticker off, find a color, but it can't be on a side that's right by blue or green.
Hola! Soy Dora!
So, you have it like this.
Octopus is dumping garbage everywhere!
We
There's
go like,
garbage on
we
the beach
put
and
the
in
green
the
sticker
ocean.
on that we took off.
Dirty garbage is even falling down onto Mermaid Kingdom. Mariana, the mermaid, needs to measure ground to make all the garbage disappear. Well, you move your mouth to make
We take a blue off, put it on the green. There we go. Now it'll be unsolvable.
Great vacuuming! You vacuumed up the garbage!
Well, it could be solvable. All you do is... Well, I haven't taught how to solve Rubik's Cubes yet.
You're a great cleaner!
See, it'll be unsolvable. You tell your friends to try to solve it. Once you scramble it, you tell your friends to try to solve it. And it won't be solvable.
Great vacuuming! Excelente! You're a great cleaner!
Oh yeah, here's a trick that you can do. Just bring the right layer down twice and keep on, and down twice and keep on doing it until the cube is solved.
Trying to vacuum
And
up the dirty garbage!
until the front and left and right side look like it's in its solved position, and it'll be solved.
You vacuumed up the garbage! I tried to do it too.
Wait, don't touch anything. Don't touch anything. Wait, let me check something.
Well, there's my review and how to make it. Now I'm going to show you how to make a 2x3x3. It'll be a bit hard to turn and stuff. And it'll be easy to take apart and put back together.
USC Bomber.
Now, pack together only 2 layers. I don't do yellow. I hate the color yellow. Okay, now orange and white. I will make a part 2. Aha. Now, red and white. Put it face down. Move every single color yellow out of the way so you won't get confused. Weird. Oh yeah, this is supposed to be a blue. Well, I'm going to do a part 2 right now. Bye.